In the name of Allah. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the night view of Sunehri Road, Peshawar, Sadr. You see, this is a meat shop. This is a meat shop. A furniture shop. Furniture, classical furniture shop. You see, this is the Sunehri Road. Sunehri Road. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a shoe shop. Ladies shoe shop. This is the Sunehri Road, Peshawar, Sadr. Night view. This is a framer. These are the framers. Framing center. Framing center. This is the framing center, and now look, a herbal medicine shop. Peshawar, Sadr, Sunehri Road. Chapli kebab. Have you heard of the chapli kebab? The Pashto speaking people, they love to eat the chapli kebab. This is the chapli kebab. Chapli kebab shop. Fruit vendors. Fruit vendors. Small restaurant, yet waiting for the customers. Meat shop. Meat shop. This is a meat shop. Meat shops. Meat being sold here. People love to eat meat. These people love to. This is the furniture, ready-made. Iron, steel furniture. This is the furniture shop. Tea trolley shop. A juice shop. A juice shop in the Peshawar, Sadr. Look. I'm here in the old area of Peshawar, Sadr. This is the old bazaar. Old bazaar of Peshawar, Sadr. Fries shop. Fries shop. I'm looking for the suitable proper, maybe something very light as a dinner. From a dinner. Looking for something very light as a dinner. I'm looking for a dinner. Something very light dinner. These are the jewelry shops around me, and this is the cloth shop. Fashion mart. Gents clothes. Look. Night view of Peshawar, Sadr. Azans are being said. Most prayers, worshippers are being called. This is the burger shop, snack shop, a tailor shop, tailoring shop. Look these people. Look here. Tailoring shop. This is the tailoring shop. There are the jewelry shops around me. The jewelry shops around me. Look at this perfume shop. This is called Itar shop here. This is nice. This is a bakery. Baker's bakery. Spice shop. Spices are being sold here. Look here. Look all this food stuff. All of this is the food stuff. And then look here, the cheese shop. Cheese, organically raised chickens, eggs, cheese, daily use small items. This is a bakers. I should like to buy some of it, for tonight. Something, but look here, look. There the jewelry shops here. Plenty of. I'm not intentionally filming the jewelry shops because these people the jewelers are very sensitive. Gold shop people are very sensitive about the security. So I'm not filming these gold shops. I'm not filming these. This is a cloth shop. These gold sellers, they are very sensitive about their security. So that is why I'm not filming them. This is a cosmetic shop, a cosmetic shop, a cloth shop. Not intentionally filming this is the artificial jewelry. Then there is a cloth shop, a toy shop. This is a toy shop. This is again a cloth shop. Gents cloth, unstitched gents cloths are being sold there. Unstitched. This is a garment shop. Baby garments, children's garments are being sold here. Hosiery, shoes for the kids, fancy shoes for the kids. Then these are the towels to be bought. I should like to buy a towel from here. These are the toy shops. In the Peshawar Sadar. This is the rush area. These shops are doing the good business. These are the children garments shop. Artificial jewelry, children garments shops. These are the cosmetic shops. Cosmetic, artificial jewelry, bangles. Then look here. This is the children garments shop. This is the artificial jewelry. Artificial jewelry. Baby shoes. This is the bridal dresses. These shops are selling the bridal dresses. These are bridal dresses. These shops are for the all the dresses being displayed here are for the bridal shop. These are the ladies fancy shoes. Artificial jewelry. Baby garments. Bridal dresses. This market is for the bridal dresses. These are the bridal dresses shops. Artificial jewelry, bridal dresses being sold here. These are all bridal dresses, A cosmetic shop. Ladies and kids shoes. Baby shoes, kids shoes, ladies shoes, kids shoes. Kids shoes are being sold here. Bridal dresses, jewelry, baby garments, artificial jewelry. Look, these are the handbags for the ladies and the baby garments. Then there is a handbags for the ladies and the baby garments and the cosmetic shop. Ladies and children dresses. Children ladies shoes. These are the handbags for the ladies. Look here, these are all the handbags for the ladies. A handbag shop for the ladies and the cosmetic shop inside this market. These are the baby garments shops. And then the baby shoes, ladies shoes, artificial jewelry. These are the bridal dresses. Shop for the bridal dresses, baby garments, artificial jewelry. Look, this is the downtown of Peshawar cosmetic shop. A very good cosmetic shop. A very good cosmetic shop. A very good cosmetic shop. Look here. This is also a cosmetic shop. Artificial jewelry. This is the rush area, and this is the shopping hour. These are the rush hours here in the Peshawar Sadr market. These are the ladies shoes. These people are selling the ladies shoes, and the artificial jewelry, undergarments, cosmetic shops, lady. This is the artificial jewelry plus the baby garments, baby garments and baby garments. Look here, these are the undergarments of the ladies, and this is the baby children garments shop. Children garments, ladies shoes, children shoes, artificial jewelry, baby garments. Look, baby garments, artificial jewelry, undergarments for the ladies. Then these are the ladies and the baby shoes plus the artificial jewelry. The baby garments, 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 baby garments. This is the rush area. These are the shopping hours here in the Peshawar Sadr. These are the shopping hours, rush hour in the Peshawar Sadr. Look here. This is a very beautiful. It's very enjoyable. This man is selling the vegetable. Vegetable meant for the salad. Salad is being sold here. So this is so a juice shop. Look here. It is so nice. It is so enjoyable to be here. It is the main market, the biggest market of Peshawar. Look, dry fruit, the mixed dry fruit being sold here. It is the mixed dry fruit. I shall like to end my video here, and then shall I restart my video. This is the food shop. They are selling the shawarma, the milkshake, the juices, and these are the baby garment shops.